Hey everybody, I'm Scott. I'm Diono's CPST and safety advocate. And right now I'm going to tell you about some things you need to check every single time you travel with your kids. First thing you want to check is make sure you've got a properly secured installation by checking only at the belt path. You want to just give it a firm handshake. If it moves less than an inch side to side or front to back, that's a securely installed car seat. Next thing you want to check, because kids are always growing, you always want to make sure that the harness straps are in the proper position. For this forward-facing kid, we want them above the shoulders. If this kid was rear-facing, we would want the harness straps at or below the shoulders. Next thing we want to do is do the pinch test and make sure the harness is properly tightened. So I can still pinch some webbing, so I'm just going to give a little tug on that harness. And since my fingers are now sliding, I can't pinch any webbing. That's a properly tightened harness. Next thing I'm going to do is raise the chest clip up to armpit level. So we always want this at armpit level, not down here, not up here, right at armpit level. Next thing we're going to do is if your seat has a head support, for Diono, we want the bottom of that head support right about even with the child's jaw. That's going to offer them the most amount of protection using this head support. So those are the things you want to check every single time you drive. Doesn't matter if you're going to the grocery store or driving across country to see grandma. You want your kids as safe as possible, so always check to make sure they're properly installed and harnessed.